Hello family, Sir here. In this video we are going to talk about the Windsor Park neighborhood. It's a neighborhood that's in the heart of Charlotte, and we're also going to look at two houses in the neighborhood so you can see what type of houses you can expect to find in this community. Stick around, I think you're going to like it. I'm Sir Ashley, and on this channel we talk about money, personal finance, real estate, and all things Charlotte. So if you're interested in any one of those things, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and also tap on that bell icon so you can be notified when we drop new videos. Now, the Windsor Park neighborhood is outside of Plaza Midwood. Well, it actually goes Plaza Midwood, Markham Village, and then there's Windsor Park. The original homes that were built in Windsor Park were built in the 1960s. And nearby Windsor Park, you have Kilbourne Park, which is an actual park. It's an expansive park that has a softball field, tennis court, playground, and even has a disc golf course. Now, before I move on, I have to mention disc golf. I didn't know what disc golf was. I didn't know it was a thing. Call me naive, call me ignorant. And I've been here for over 11 years and I still haven't played. So if any of you out there are gathering together to play a game of disc golf, I want an invite. Count me in. Give me a call, shoot me a text. I want to play. To those of you watching who don't know what disc golf is, it is people walking around a park shooting a frisbee into some of these contraptions. And they call it disc golf. Now, the homes in Windsor Park are largely made up of brick ranches. As I said, they've been made in the 1960s. So you can go around the neighborhood and see brick ranch, brick ranch, brick ranch. And then all of a sudden you might see 3 or 4 new construction homes that have obviously been built in the last 3 years. If you're looking for a place to eat or a local bar, you can head down to Central Avenue and you'll find several quality restaurants and authentic food, along with different bars, and there's always food trucks in the area. Windsor Park is a quick 15-minute drive to Uptown Charlotte, and it's 15 minutes from University City. It's also about 10 to 12 minutes from South Park and South Park Mall. Windsor Park is just conveniently located. You have Cotswold, you have Plaza Midwood, and you have Noda right at your disposal. Back to the homes in Windsor Park. In most of the homes, you will find hardwood floors and fireplaces, and the homes sit on a nicely sized lot. Now, the neighborhood itself of Windsor Park is seeing tons of appreciation due to millennials and people coming in fixing up these classic homes. And if you're thinking about future investments and if it will continue to appreciate, I believe it will, because you have the planned redevelopment of Eastland Mall and also the Central Avenue streetcar line. Now, the biggest dilemma or challenge that homeowners or future homeowners face is trying to decide if they want to live in the city and have all the convenience that has to offer, but do they want to sacrifice having the larger living space versus having the larger living space but living further out from the city. Right now, homes in Windsor Park range in price anywhere from $275 to about $375. Yes, they do have higher priced homes as well, but I'm talking about the median price home. And the size for most of the homes in Windsor Park range anywhere from 1,000 square feet to about 1,400 square feet. Come on inside and let's look at these two properties and tell me what you think. Let's go inside and take a look at this property in Windsor Park. It is a 4-bedroom, 2-bath home built in 1967. Now, the size of this home is just over 1,200 square feet, and the asking price of this was $300,000. Now, I think they're being very generous when they called this a 4-bedroom. You will see why. Another look at the living room. This is a little seating area, a little sunroom. And they classified this as a 4th bedroom, which it technically is. It has a window, it has a closet. It classifies as a 4th bedroom. But you'll be hard pressed to even put a toddler in that room. So it's more like an office. Laundry area. This is what really wowed me about this house, this large deck area in the back. Now you do have greenery back here. That's the trade-offs again when you're buying into an older community. You have an established community with large trees that you have to be concerned with, as opposed to buying in a new development in the suburbs or surrounding areas where the trees just aren't mature. Here you have to worry about that. It looks beautiful in the spring, but if you have allergies, you have to be aware of that as well. Let's go ahead and take a look at the rest of the home. This is one of the secondary bedrooms as well. So this would be your second bedroom. Decent sized room. Now what I'm about to put on the screen is an overview of how niche.com rated the Windsor Park community. Please take a look. Feel free to pause the screen so you can look over every category and how niche.com rated this. This is not my own personal rating of the community. This is the common bathroom that the guest will be sharing. Now let's go into the owner's suite. And now the owner's bathroom. Going into the fourth and final bedroom. Again, all the bedrooms are sufficient, have a decent size with the exception of that first bedroom. Now let's go ahead and check out the other home. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It is 1,400 square feet and it was built in 1955 and it sits on 0.22 acres. The last home also sat on 0.22 acres. You come in, you see the hardwood floors. Going into the dining area. Take a look at the kitchen. Now this is the mud room. They use it obviously as a workout area. Let's go check out the rest of the home. Let's first stop into the first bedroom. Now we're into the owner's suite. And there is a half bath right here. This is the third bedroom, nice size. And then you have the full bath right here. And this property was asking $375. Thank you for watching. And if you have any questions regarding this community or the greater Charlotte area, please reach out, let me know. Please leave a comment as well, because I'm positive you are not the only one that has that question. I hope this was helpful. Again, I'm Sir Ashley. Talk soon.